In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail errors that are causing you not to receive emails. This is one of the most common Gmail problems, and in many cases, the issue is not with the sender at all. It's usually caused by full storage, messages being filtered into spam, or emails ending up in trash. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without any technical experience. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is check your Google storage space, because if your storage is full, Gmail can stop receiving new emails. To do this, open your browser and go to one.google.com/storage. Once the page loads, take a look at how much space is being used across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. You want to check all three because they all count toward the same storage limit. If Gmail storage is full, messages may bounce back or never arrive in your inbox at all. If you see that your storage is almost full or completely full, the next step is to free up some space. Start with Google Drive and delete any large files you no longer need. Look for old videos, backups, duplicate files, or anything taking up a lot of space. After that, go into Gmail and empty both your trash and spam folders. Emails in those folders still use storage, so clearing them can make a big difference. Then check Google Photos and delete any unnecessary backups, especially large videos or old images you no longer need. Once you've cleaned up enough storage, Gmail should be able to start receiving new messages again. Now, if your storage is not the problem, the next place to check is your spam and trash folders. Sometimes Gmail mistakenly sends important emails there, which can make it seem like you're not receiving messages at all. To do this, open mail.google.com and sign in to your Gmail account. On the left-hand menu, click on Spam and then Trash. Go through those folders and look for the missing email you expected to receive. If you find it in Spam, open the message and click Not Spam. This tells Gmail that the message is safe and moves it back into your inbox. If you find the email in trash, restore it so it returns to your inbox. This is a very common fix, especially if messages are being filtered incorrectly. It's also a good idea to keep checking your spam folder regularly, because legitimate emails can sometimes land there again in the future. If you've already checked storage and folders but still aren't receiving emails, make sure your inbox filters or rules are not sending messages somewhere else. But in most cases, the problem is storage or spam filtering, and these steps fix it fast. So, just to recap, first check your Google storage at one.google.com/storage, then free up space by deleting large drive files, emptying Gmail trash and spam, and removing unnecessary Google Photos backups. After that, go to mail.google.com, check your spam and trash folders, and mark any missing email as not spam if needed. Those few steps solve the issue for most users. If this video helped you fix your Gmail problem, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.